Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about what are the alternatives to the 11 labs. As we know, the 11 labs is the industry standard right now, and people are using it for their voiceovers and text to speech. But the thing is that they are quite expensive, so people want to know what are the alternatives for them, because their free plan only gives you 10,000 credits, so which is basically 10 minutes of video, and after that you have to purchase their plans. So let's say if you want to purchase a 500,000 characters package, you have to pay them $99 per month, which is quite a lot. So most of the people don't know that 11 Labs is just famous for their name, but you have better free alternatives. So let me show you two great alternatives for 11 Labs which you can use for free. So number one is our text-to-speech openai.com. Okay, ttsopenai.com is the website's name. So ttsopenai.com, I will link that in the description as well. So if you check their packages first, so you will see this. So the free version is free to use, but the only thing that is different from the premium version is that in free version you can use speech from text, but you cannot make up a whole story, with a proper document. You can use only certain characters for free. So let me show you how. Okay, so this is ttsopenai.com's interface. So it's quite similar to our 11 Labs, and it is very easy to use. So basically I was talking about this. If you want to make a whole story which continues with the same tone and everything, you need a premium package. But for simple text to speech, you can use their free version, but there's a catch. You have only 3,000 characters limit according to their new updates. You can at a time only do 3,000 characters from text to speech. So which is again not bad for free, but you can use that as many times as you want, and you have got a lot of good voices over here. So you can basically check them out, and then you have the system voices as well. So these are the two different voices that they are using. So OpenAI voices, and then the system voices kind of sound like computer voices, while OpenAI voices are more natural voices, and you can play with them. Okay, so this is this website, which is a great alternative for 11 Labs. So let's talk about another one. So another great alternative to your 11 Labs is clipchamp.com. Okay, so basically this is an app, and it has a desktop version as well. So let me show you the desktop version. So basically it is a clip making AI tool. So you create videos, but the great thing is that you can also use text to speech. So when you create a video, on your left side you will see this menu. So you have to click on this record and create, and in that, at the very bottom, you will see text to speech. So just create that, and here basically you will insert your text, which will be, so let me actually copy something. Let's say this is my text. Okay, so this is my text. Now here you have the of course the English language selection, and then you have a lot of great voices. So let me actually select one, and here you click the preview. Before downloading it, you can hear it. So
We're a little past the halfway point of 2024, and celebrities have definitely kept busy by breaking up. Honestly, if the dramatic 12 months that constituted 2023 are anything to go on,
We're a little past the halfway point of 2024,
Okay,
and celebrities
this is
have
another
definitely
one.
kept busy by breaking up. Honestly, if the dramatic 12 months that constituted 2023
We're a little past the halfway point of 2024, and celebrities have definitely kept busy by breaking up. Honestly, if the dramatic 12 months that constituted 2020
We're a little past the halfway point of 2024 and celebrities have definitely kept busy by breaking up.
So as you can see, these are like very good voices with a lot of real human like character in them, and the way they pause and the way they express this text is amazing. So they have great features, but this is for basically a video, but we are not creating a video. So what we will do is that we will just save this and then we will export it. Okay, so we don't want any video, we just have the video with a black screen and this voiceover. So what happens is that now for HD quality, you can download that in HD or you can download it in 720, whatever. So you can download this in any quality you want, and right now I'm exporting it in 1080p. So now it is still a video, it is MP4 file. So the technique we are going to use is that we will use an online MP4 to MP3 converter. Okay, so which will basically convert our MP4 file into MP3. So let me do that in front of you so that you're not confused by any chance. So MP4 to MP3 converter online. Okay, so you just write that, and you can use any site. Okay, I'm using the first one, and these are just use any free site that converts it. Okay, let me select my file which I downloaded. Okay, this was the file I downloaded. I just open it, convert it. Okay, it's finished.
We're a little past the halfway point of
And now you
2024
can hear
and
it.
celebrities have definitely kept busy by breaking up. Honestly, if the dramatic 12 months that constituted 2023 are anything to go on, we are in for a real roller coaster as the rest of the year unfolds.
So as you can see, now I have downloaded the MP3 version of my voiceover or text to speech. So it is ready, and you can use it as much as you want. So this is a very good technique. I hope you will like it. So this tool currently does not have any limit, so you can use it as much as you want. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to this channel and share this video to your fellows. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.